Stop buying generic jewelry. I found a way to get beautiful pieces without paying your typical jeweler markup. Today we're going to be unboxing the Talisa box. This is a jewelry subscription service that lets you try on pieces before you buy and see if this can be a solution for someone on your gift giving list, whether it's a gift to yourself or to someone else. When you open it, you will get your info with the return label if you decide that you don't want to keep if you decide you don't want to keep a piece. So it tells you right on the box how it works. Your 7 days starts now, and everything comes pretty tissue paper. And I love these boxes. They are just so nice. Let me take everything out. Let's start with a necklace because I need to put a necklace on. Okay, so here is their box. I really like it. You pull it out, it has the little ribbon on here. This is the Morella Zodiac Charm necklace in sterling silver. My birthday's in November, coming right up, so I've picked the Scorpio. So that is the symbol that's on there. Can get up to 5 charms on here. So if you have kids or family that you want, or if you just have other signs that you like how they look or they mean something to you, you can add on to that. This is considered a box charm, and the sizes that you can get is 16, 18, and 20 inches. Most of these do come in an option of sterling silver, gold plated, 14 karat gold, solid gold, or 18 karat gold. Is $76 if you wanted to keep it. If this is your first VIP order, that would be $64. Keep in mind this is sterling silver. The charm is sterling silver. Now, on these items, if you do want, depending on which gold you want, it can change the price. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now let's go to the bracelets. Again, same box, very pretty, great presentation. If you are not new here, you know that I just always am looking at the packaging and that detail. Now the brand did send this over to me complimentary to show you the pieces, talk about it. They didn't tell me what to say or anything like that. And I told them what styles I like on their website, and they chose for me. So while I kind of got to pick, not completely because I picked more than 4 items, so it's kind of a surprise for me as well. This one is the classic paperclip chain bracelet in sterling silver. Sale price, the cost of this one is $56.90. If you are first VIP order, it would be $47.92. We're gonna get to the pricing of the box and the VIP order and all that next. This comes in either 6.5 or 7.5 inches. You have the lobster claw clasp on there. Whoops. See if I can get it on myself, right? Okay, how many times is it gonna go around? You could wear it alone like this, layer it up. You could wear it with your watch. I would describe this as classic, modern look. 4.9 stars out of 5 on their website with over 4,300 reviews. Quality at an affordable price. 1 4-star said really like the quality of the bracelets. It was a beautiful piece of jewelry. I like the looks of them. Bracelet is pretty. Now let's talk a little bit more about the box before we get to the ring and the earrings. As I mentioned, a jewelry subscription service. So you'll sign up, you'll do a quiz, and from that quiz, they will pick a minimum 3 pieces to send you based on your answers to the style quiz. Once you get your box, you have 7 days to decide if you want to keep the pieces or if you want to return them, return one, or what you want to do. They do send you in the box all the information. They'll tell you what the price of each item is. They give you the free prepaid shipping label back. And just a little reminder about, that you have 7 days to decide. You get to meet who your personal stylist was. The prices of the items range from $49.95 to $149.95. Now, since this is a subscription service and you are having a like personalized stylist picking out your pieces, there is a styling fee per box. That's $20. Now that covers the person picking out your items, the handling fee, the shipping. And the cool thing though is that yes, you pay that $20, but if you decide that you want to keep one or more items, that $20 goes as a credit towards your purchase. I picked this Scorpio, but there are multiple things that you can personalize as far, which we're getting as far as birthstones. I have an example of that. Or if you have names that you want, whether you want it on a bracelet or ring, a necklace. So there's a lot of different options to have it personalized. If you don't want it personalized, there's a lot of options to like this, just to have it plain. Next up, let's talk earrings. The Pure Elegance, again, you have the nice box, Pure Elegance hoop earrings. These do come in the sterling silver or gold options. And oh, pretty, look at it. It comes in a nice bag. We got a netted pouch here. Very pretty, great presentation, great gift idea. These have a price of $84.55. Yes, and it is marked, everything is marked. These don't feel heavy at all, because I don't know about you, but you know, when I was younger, I was fine with wearing heavy earrings. It didn't matter, but now, no. I want earrings that look nice, that I can wear with a lot, and are not pulling on my ears. Nice. And I don't know. Oh, all right. Has anyone else had this? For some reason, one of my ears, I mean, I wear earrings still, but one of my ears, it seems like the hole always is a little bit more of a challenge to get earrings in. All right. Ooh, nice. I think that those are good. They're not so small that they, you know, don't show up. They're not like the Huggies, unless you know, they do have the Huggy option if you like that. But I feel like they're not huge, but they show. Classic. I like them. Yeah, they don't feel heavy at all. Also, by the way, I just have to say, if you are new here, or if you are one of the people, because I have a large percentage of people who watch my videos but are not subscribed, I just want to ask you politely if you would please hit that subscribe button. It does help my channel grow, and it doesn't cost a thing. It's free to do. You won't get any emails spammed or anything like that. All it does is when you are going to sign on to YouTube and go to your subscription, that I have more of a chance of showing up. Depending on how many people you subscribe to, everyone might not show up, but it gives, you know, more of an option, and it does help my channel grow, because YouTube is like, oh yeah, this channel's good. Okay, people like it. We're gonna, you know, show the videos to more people. So always appreciated. All right. Ooh, now this ring, this one is a little bit of a different box, black box, and it has, oh, a pouch here, Talisa Jewelry. This feels like a velvet pouch here, and then the ring is in a little baggie. Okay, so it's funny because when they asked what my birthstones, you know, if I have any birthstones I like, or, you know, any that mean anything. Okay, so my birthday, as I mentioned, is in November, and I like browns, but sometimes I feel like it's not one of my favorite colors, my birthstones, the brown topaz. But so I was just like, well, these are the colors that I like the months. So I picked, or what they gave me was some pinks, red, and a blue. So it doesn't have to be, even though it says family birthstone, it doesn't have to be like the actual birthstones of people you know or your family. It can just be colors you like. This is the Family Roots birthstone ring in sterling silver. The cost of this is $89.30. Well, normally it's on sale, normally $94. And oh, it's pretty. I'll show a close up, but it looks, I can see why it says Family Roots, because it almost looks like, you know, different roots, tree roots around the jewelry or around the ring. You can pick up to 5 birthstones in here, and depending on how many you pick, it can, affect the price. But I like that. So I have blue, pinks, and reds. It is Swarovski crystals is what the birthstones are made of. So what's the verdict? These pieces, genuine sterling silver. I think that they would be great as a thoughtful, personalized gift to someone. Love jewelry, you love surprises, someone on your list loves jewelry and or surprises. I feel like this is definitely like a fresh, fun way to update your jewelry collection, get new pieces, and it's fun. I love surprises, so I love that you don't know exactly what you're gonna get. Let me know what you would want in your first box. Whether you've clicked the website and you see something you like, or actually, you know what, let me go through the website right now just to give you some ideas and show you some other things. And I'd love to know down below, what is something, if you could pick just one item, what is the first thing that you would want in your Talisa box? Would it be a personalized necklace with either your zodiac initials, the map one? Like, how cool is that? If there's a certain place that holds a meaning in your heart or your hometown. Would it be name bracelet, beaded bracelet, again, a map one, anklets, zodiac, or a classic? Or would you be wanting, you would love to get a ring or earrings in your box? And also, if you have a special man in your life, no, we're not forgetting about him. Okay, we got some jewelry for the men as well.